Hey, to pair Huawei Band 9 with any Android smartphone, first of all you have to turn on your band by using this side button, and now from this list you will have to select your language. So in my case I'm going to select English, and now we have to grab our smartphone. We have to open our browser, so in my case I'm using the Google browser, and we have to input this phrase, the Huawei Health download. When you input this phrase and go for the search, you will find the first search result. This is the official Huawei website. So you have to actually click here. Just wait for the loading screen, and now I will highly recommend you to click on this red button, Install Now. Select your smartphone brand. In my case I'm using the Google one, but it's not visible on the website, so I have to click Other. And then tap to reload. And now we've got two options. When we click on this install button, we'll be able to download it via browser or by app gallery. So if you download it via browser but the installation file is not working, you should actually do this one more time by using the app gallery. But in this video I'm going to show you how to do this via browser without installing additional file. Click to download. Now when you click on the details, right here you can find this downloading process. So you can click install, and now let's go into our phone applications. So in the app drawer we are looking for the Huawei Health application, but as you can see for some reason it's not visible. So as I said before, in my case it's not working, so we have to do the same one more time, and we have to actually do this by using the app gallery. So click here, tap to download again, click to open, and now click to install the app gallery. So we have to just wait until it will be finished. Click to open. Now just wait for the loading screen, click next in the right bottom corner, click I agree, accept permission, and at the top input this phrase Huawei Health. Accept another permission, select Huawei Health application and click on the install button at the bottom of the screen. Click on the settings, accept this permission to install apps from this source. Go back and click on the install button again. Now at the bottom we can find this progress, and it's almost finished. So click install again. And now we can open this application. Click next, tap I agree, accept another permissions, and now click on the devices. From this you have to click to add device, accept the Bluetooth permission, accept location permission while using the application, and click enable another time. So click on the switcher, then just go back, and now just wait for the scanning process. As you can see now, our band is detected, so we have to click connect. And from this screen we have to actually log in to the Huawei ID. If you don't have Huawei ID, you can, for example, click register and create new account. And if you log in to the application, you will actually get the short connection animation, and you have to accept another permission. Now let's grab our band and also accept this pairing request. And now just wait for the next steps. There we go. So now we've got the terms of the use, the end user license agreement. We have to accept it in the right bottom corner. As you can see now, it looks like we are connected, but here we can also enable this automatic updates over the Wi-Fi. So select this, click OK, tap on the settings, and now we should actually accept this battery optimization. So click allow. Now let's go back, click done, click continue, tap enable, and now from this list we have to actually find the Huawei Health application, click on the switcher, accept allow, Then we have to go back again, and now we can click done and click OK again. Accept permissions one by one, click OK again, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.